Well, good morning, YouTube. Well, it's morning when I'm making this video. It probably ain't morning when you watch it. But today I'm going to show a couple of my vacuums picking shit up off the floor. Never even figured out what I was going to use as a test subject. These flower pots have a little bit of crap in them. So, move the sanitary out of the way. And we'll dump this shit onto the carpet. Stuff all the way up in the bottom. It's not good. It's not really a good demonstration, but it can be done. Check the bottom quarters of this one. There's nothing in there. Okay, and we'll start with the sanitary and then move on to the Hoover. But here we are with this one, and I'm sorry, unfortunately I don't have enough belts. If this one stop the brush roll and this one stops, at least I got an extra one here. But let's fire this up, see how it works. Well, picked up pretty good. Now let's try this one. I actually used this one this morning to sweep off this rug. This is the other side of the Oriental rug you saw in the other video. But let's try this out, see how it works. And it picked up pretty good. Next I am looking for a Hoover Conquest. If any of you have one that you would like to get rid of, please tell me in the comments. Also, I'm looking for a EUREKA Sanitaire SC899 wide track. If any of you have one of those that you would like to get rid of, please tell me. And I'm running out of time on my card, and I have to cut it short. But here, let's give the commercial vacuum another whirl. Well, that one's more commercial than this one is, but let's try this out, see how it works again. And it still picked up a little bit. Now, I think I know, and I'm still wondering why they call this Vibra Groomer. I'm thinking it's because these little lumps of what should be a beater bar are supposed to like vibrate it or massage the carpet. I just don't know. Either that or it's because it's an older style brush roll than in the newer ones that go in like a triangle form. Well, like brushes part, this side would be going like this instead of like this. And this thing would be going like this, and the other side would be going like that. I just don't know. I just never thought to try and figure that out. But there we have it. EUREKA Sanitaire versus Hoover Convertible. And again, the Hoover Convertible has won this battle. It's a very good vacuum. So, you have any EUREKA Sanitaire SC899 that you would like to get rid of? Or Hoover Conquest? Please let me know. Oh, and I also want the Hoover Junior Dirt Searcher, they called it. But if you have any of those vacuums that you would like to get rid of, I would like to take it off your hands. So again, subscribe, leave a comment, more comments please, and leave a like. See you later. Bye.